Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to discuss this project with you all. This was one of the cafe that we designed and I have shared with you all, and it got many views and many likes, also so many questions, and they wanted a detailed video on this. So in today's video I am going to tell you about this project, what was the site condition, how we planned this space, and what were the challenges and what was the final result. Let's start with the dimensions. The dimensions were 11 feet 3 inches by 35 feet 4 inches. The client wanted us to create a cafe with maximum seating and also wanted to have a kitchen, and if possible he wanted to create a private seating area. Now this was the site condition. You can see there were many services pipes running along the ceiling. This was the firefighting, this was the plumbing pipe, these were also the plumbing pipe, and here we were having the AHU. The height was somewhere around 14 feet 6 inches or 15 feet. So when we started the planning, we thought to use our vertical height. Because it was somewhere around 14 feet 6 inches or 15 feet, we divided the lower half into a kitchen and the upper half we tried to make it a private seating. Now let's see the floor plan that we created for this space. Now this was the floor plan that we created for the space. The main entry was here. We created a seating like this. This was a billing counter. And this was another seating here, and by doing this we were able to have a circulation like this, and this was the staircase that we created, which was going for the upper level, and our kitchen was somewhere here. So this was one option that we created. Now this was another option that we created. These were the seating area and these were the seating area. The circulation was, and this is our way to the kitchen, and this was our way to the upper floor. Now in this layout the space was very clean and clear. Although seatings were, as compared to the first option, it was lesser. In the first option we were having somewhere around 23 seating area with separate billing counter, and in this option we created 20 seating area and billing counter was not here. The client approved this layout and we proceeded further with our design concept. Another most important challenge that we faced, creating a staircase which doesn't face the head height issue, because as you can see there was a beam. We designed a staircase in such a way that it doesn't face a head height issue over here. As you can see from this image, we started a staircase from here, created a landing, also a winder here, so that it doesn't face a head height issue. Also, while designing, we thought of incorporating a lot of bold colors like this, so that our eyes are drawn towards the bold colors and it doesn't look boring. In order to add one element, we created some hexagonal design on the wall. It acted as a focal wall that was economical and also eye-catching. We also created one light element over here to add a visual interest. This was one interesting element that we have introduced, the hexagonal design, and it came out very nice on site. And these were the colors, the yellow color, the aqua color and grey color on one wall. The other side we have introduced this design from MS section with lighting element, and we actually custom made this design to reduce the cost. The client wanted to add bold and vibrant ambience. So instead of using costly materials, we used the color psychology to attract attention. We used color palette of orange, blue, wooden texture, and to give it a warm yet energetic vibe. The walls were kept simple but painted with vibrant colors, eliminating the need of expensive paneling. For the flooring, instead of using expensive wooden planks, we used wooden finish tile, which gave warmth of wood but at a lower cost. The ceiling had a lot of exposed surfaces, plumbing, firefighting, electrical conduits, etc. So rather than covering it with false ceiling, we painted everything with black except for the firefighting pipes to create a raw industrial look, and this also saved the cost of the false ceiling and added a unique character in the area. Since we didn't want to highlight the ceiling, we used wall washers for indirect lighting and added pendant light with ropes to enhance the cafe ambience. This also complemented the raw aesthetic that we wanted to create in this space. One of the standout features is the hexagonal wall design that we created, inspired from the image that we have seen from the internet. Now we found that image very pleasing and we wanted to incorporate, so we created this design. And initially we thought of using mirror at the back, but once we installed it, we kept it like this because it went with the raw theme of our interior and it also saved our money. These were made from the wooden panel and it was polished later on. Also, instead of investing in expensive light fixtures, we custom designed a lighting element here. We used MS hollow sections and bulbs, saving a lot of money. Even the staircase, we saved money here. We constructed it using MS section and painted it black, maintaining the industrial aesthetics, and also it was budget friendly. One of the most common question I get about this project is the budget. What was the budget? See, at that time, we did this project in 2019, and at that time it costed somewhere around 7 to 8 lakh. And it included all the kitchen cost as well, kitchen appliances, chimney, exhaust, everything. In today's scenario, the vendor, the labor, everything, the prices has been revised, so you cannot say that it's going to be the same at today's trend. So the current prices may be different. The budget was kept low by choosing cost effective material, custom making elements instead of buying from vendors, and keeping the structural modification minimal. So this is how we transformed a small space into a vibrant cafe and staying within the budget. I hope this answers all your questions. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Would you like me to break down some more projects like this? Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more design insights. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.